Same $20 in my pocket from a year ago. But when I walk into the store, where did the value go? The number on the tag are climbing to the sky. My money is shrinking down while the prices stay high. Yeah, that's inflation in the building, breaking the bank. Too many dollars in the system, and the purchasing power sank. Tag up, cash down, everything costs more. Same $20 doesn't buy what it did before. Look, it's a simple equation of demand and supply. When the central bank prints and the cash supply gets high, suddenly everyone got bags of paper to spend, but the goods on the shelf don't automatically double, my friend. More cash chasing fewer goods. What do you think occurs? The seller raised the price. The line between the value blurs. It's a hidden tax, sneaky, creeping into your grocery cart. Gas pump, rent check, tearing your budget apart. You didn't spend a dime more, but your basket is light. That's the cost of living winning, a loop sided fight.